Lesson 6-6, Scale Drawings and Models. A scale is determined by the ratio of a given length on the drawing or model to its corresponding length on the actual object. So some common scale models you may see may be like it's 1 inch on the picture, but the actual object is 3 feet. Or 1 centimeter on something actually equals 2 millimeters. So we're going to look at how we can determine a scale. This says, suppose a model of a dragonfly has a wing length of 4 centimeters. If the length of the insect's actual wing is 6 centimeters, what is the scale of the model? So we're going to let x represent the actual length. So x equals the actual length. And now you're going to write and solve a proportion. So we're going to write the model length on the top, so 4 centimeters. That's the model. And we're going to put it over the 6 centimeters, which is the actual length. And then we're going to set up a proportion, and we're going to say 1 centimeter on the model equals x, centimeters of the actual picture. So then you solve here and you cross multiply. So we have 4x equals 6. So then your x would equal 1.5. So we would be able to say that the scale of the model is 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 1.5 centimeters. So that means that 1 centimeter of the model equals 1.5 centimeters of the actual length. Scale drawings and models is also used in architecture and engineering. They use this method to draw images where they take a larger object and they draw it smaller. So they might put it on paper, also known as blueprint sometimes. Architects will draw a small picture of a building and then produce a scale model so that they can build the larger structure. So your step 1 is to find the measure of the wall on the drawing. So when you have the drawing, you find the measure of the wall. You represent that with a variable. Then you would find the height on the drawing and you would represent that with W. And then from there, you make the scale drawing. You use a grid paper and you draw the image. And we will look at a few examples of this in the future. There will not be a lesson review for this video because you're actually going to have a project that's going to give you a lot of great practice doing this.